morning, everybody. Welcome to my home. I love it. So now, I'm gonna promise you that video I said about the puppies. So, here they are. They're so adorable. You too, Daisy. But Daisy's not for sale. She's mine. Hi, my Daisy, my baby, my Daisy. All the dogs are so cute here. I love them, especially this one right here. Mummies, come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh, she's wagging her tail, you guys. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, you okay? You okay? She's okay. She's okay. One more kiss, see if you're okay. One more kiss. Yes, you're okay, mummies. So, she's my puppy. I love her so much. Oh, you don't know how much I love her. So, after this, I have two choices. Drawings or video games. Comment down below, what should I do? Drawings or video games? And Daisy took my spot. Hi, Daisy. Smile for the camera! Smile for the camera! Okay, stop. You're hitting me. So, this is my puppy. I love you too, I love you too, I love you too. Okay, so, I really don't know what to do with the puppies. So, now it's sprinkling. So yeah, this is my puppy. Say hi. 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 Mom. No, you're not Mom. What else? Well, ain't Mom, Grandma. Who's my mom? Huh? Who's my mom? I'm just gonna be right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna be right here. No, Daisy, bad girl. God. Well, that's it for today. I know it's 2 minutes long, but I don't got time for things. Well, I gotta go, guys. See you later. And don't forget to subscribe and comment down below and give this channel a thumbs up and share with your family, friends, everybody. Because I want 100 views on this. 100 views. So, put 100 views down. Then, if there's 100 views, I will do an ice bucket challenge. So, or sleep in the dark outside. So, comment down below, leave a like, stirring us something, and subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below. See you later, guys, and bye-bye.